Hey, listen, there's a reason why most people don't have success online, and the reason why is simple, because they're following these steps and these processes that most amateurs do, and they make these silly mistakes, right? What you need to do is stop being an amateur online and turn pro in your online business and start an online business using a simple formula. And the best part about it, guys, this formula I'm about to teach you on this training today has nothing to do with Amazon, has nothing to do with your own product, has nothing to do with email marketing, none of that stuff, guys. And heck, you don't even need any experience to have success with it, guys. So if you don't know who I am, guys, I'm Robby Blanchard, and over the past 5 years, I've gone from being that struggling gym owner, wanting to have success online, but not knowing how, and now I'm in a position being the #1 affiliate on a platform called ClickBank and having amazing success. And on top of that, over the past 18 months, I've helped out nearly 8,000 people from all over the world have amazing success online. As a matter of fact, I want you to hear from some of the students right now.
What I earned in my 26 years in my previous job, I got here in ClickBank double in just less than a month. Imagine. So you can do this too. Robby and the Commission Hero are really God sent.
Yeah, guys, isn't it crazy? Look at this. So, you know, $4,000 a day, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, all the way up to $10,000. $10,000. Yesterday you had another $10,000 a day. Today you're doing pretty darn well today as well. It's still very early. Man, oh man.
Push forward. It's gonna be worth it. I promise that.
I have definitely never had any prior experience in an online business. I was looking for something that I could do on my own schedule. As you can see, these are my stats. It shows you my days, the 1420. You know, I've had several $1,000 days or over that. And then it shows you my $2,300 day this past weekend. I'm on track to do, you know, a $10,000 week. I'm really excited.
So yeah, $1,000 day right there, about $1,500 day, not even 1,000. It was more than that.
This is literally like you are the middleman. You are direct to the consumer. You don't have to deal with all the crap that the company has to deal with, products, customer service, shipping. Like you just get a piece of the pie, and you just have to learn how to work the piece of the pie. And like, I don't know what to tell you. Just, I would do it. I would 1000% do it.
One thing I worried about when I saw other people's videos was, is it consistent? Are people just getting that and then trailing off? You sort of see a success video and then you never hear from them again. And you wonder, are they just in the background making loads of money, or are they no longer making money? And I can definitely confirm to you, I am still making money, and a lot more. Yesterday, I broke a $4,000 day. I will quickly show you. If you can see that on there, $4,169 yesterday, so that's absolutely massive.
So yeah, guys, I mean, you can see literally, this is ClickBank. This is pretty much when we started running ads up here, March. Now it's pretty much October, and you'll see here $902,663.36. So that is what we did there. And then literally here's like, we just started running ads in Digistore like, I don't know, maybe a week ago, a week and a half, $162,000 in Digistore.
That is pretty crazy. That's amazing, man. And guys, if you do the math, 900 plus 162, that's over $1 million. So,
dude, that's awesome. And this is pretty cool, actually. I love to see this because, like, you know, man, you've been pretty consistent, like every single day. Like, you know, it's like, you know, $200, $280 on one day, and then it went to 400, then 800, then, you know, you get a couple $800 days, you had the $900 day like you were talking about. Yeah, man. So that's awesome, dude. And it looks like, you know, on a week-to-week basis, like you're bringing in some decent money right now. So what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet?
What are you waiting for?
So like I said, over the last 18 months, I've helped so many people have success online. And what we've done is we've developed a formula. It's a simple 3-step formula that allows people to go from being at that amateur level status of not making money online, not having success, and wondering how to do it, to then turning pro in their business, right? And starting an online business that generates hundreds and even thousands of dollars a day, every single day, even if they don't have their own product or even if they didn't have any experience in the past. And that's what's so powerful about this pro system. system. And I want you to turn pro, guys, as well. So I'm holding a free workshop, guys, and on this workshop, I'm gonna share with you exactly how you can go from having no online experience, not making any money online, to then turning pro online, where you're generating hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day. And the best part is, guys, right now it's working better than ever before. And so you don't want to miss out on this free training. So go ahead, click the link, register for this free training, which takes place today. And the reason why is simple, guys. I really believe now is the perfect time to start an online business. Now is the perfect opportunity because more people are online than ever before. And if you use this pro system, you're gonna learn how to generate literally thousands of dollars using the system. And the best part is, guys, you don't need your own product. You don't need Amazon. None of that stuff, guys. All you need to do is register for this free workshop so you can learn the system, learn the skills, and have amazing success, guys. So go ahead, click the link, register now, and I'll see you on the inside.